I'm Landon from AirVantage Heating and Cooling, and today we're here to talk to you about why you should have your ducts cleaned and how we can help. Not only does duct cleaning protect your heating and cooling system, but it also improves indoor air quality by removing dust, debris, and any unwanted odors. Getting your ducts cleaned is something that should be done every 3 to 5 years and only takes about 4 to 6 hours depending on the size of your home. At AirVantage, we improve indoor air quality by cleaning these ducts and maximizing airflow so you breathe comfortably. Our process is easy. First, we arrive in a fully stocked van with our friendly and professional technicians. Next, to protect your home, all of our technicians wear booties and we roll out the red carpet. Now, we're going to remove all the supply and return vent covers, bring them outside, and sanitize them. Before sending our compressed air lines through the duct, we're going to suck up all the obvious dirt and debris with just our standard vacuum. So what we're going to do now is cut 2 large holes in both the supply and the return duct. We're going to connect our hoses to our HEPA grade vacuum, which is going to pull out all the dust and debris out of your HVAC system. Then we're gonna go to every single duct in the home and we're gonna put this special tape over the ductwork, which is going to create a negative pressure within the system. Once we get to the ductwork, we have our compressed air here. So this acts as a device that basically goes through the ductwork and whips it as it pushes all the dirt and debris. So if I give it a little bit of air here, as you can see, that's gonna move all that dirt and debris towards our HEPA grade vacuum. Once we've removed the dirt and debris out of your ductwork, we're gonna go ahead and put back all the sanitized vents, we're gonna change the filter, we're gonna start the system up, and we're gonna complete the cleanup process. We take extra care to reach every corner of your system, ensuring exceptional results and a breath of fresh air. You'll see the difference in the before and after photos we take. That's a wrap on our duct cleaning process. Hopefully you found this video helpful. AirVantage offers a number of indoor air quality solutions for any type of home. So if it's something you're interested in, give us a call or check us out online and we'd be more than happy to help you.